birds in my hand, guys. Look at that. So adorable. It's in my hands. I'm going to church. I just found out this bird. He came on me. Dumapo siya sa aking mga kamay. This bird, I think this bird is some kind of weak. Mahina ang kanyang katawan. Hindi siya lumilipad. Hello, bird. Stay. I'm going to church now. I'm going to church now. Hey. Yes. Climb on the tree. Come on, climb on the tree. Look at that, guys. This bird. Dumapo siya sa aking mga kamay. Look at that. Go, climb on the tree. You're free to go. I'm going to church. Hey, baby bird. Parang mahina ang katawan niya, guys. Ayaw niya pumunta sa puno. Come on. Stay. Stay. Go now, go now, go now. You can go. You can go. You can go. Look at that. I'm going to release. Ayaw niya. Go now, go now. Go now, go now, go. Go. Yes, go now. Alo, lo, 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 lo. Ayaw niya. I'm going to release this bird. I'm going to church inside. Okay? You may go now. You may go now. Go to the tree. Oh my God, guys. I'm going to bring inside the church this bird.